Here's the issue with teaching. If I can't look at the numbers and say, these students have made this much progress, I don't know that they've learned anything.
Solving the data problem has actually been fun. It's been enjoyable because that's kind of where my realm is. Mr. Romrell systematizes, and I've got to figure out the theory. What would it be that... The way we solved it with writing is we had to create a new form of rubric. A student has to get an 8 or 10 in every category or they fail. Under 8, 1 through 7, it's all diagnostic. A 7 doesn't mean a 70% at all. A 7 means that you forgot to include a claim. And so they come in and we give them the rubric. They say, you got a 7 on the introduction. Kid looks at the rubric. Oh, I forgot to put a claim. I'll go fix that right now. Done. Done.
And the data it gives us is we can then say, well, now I look holistically at all of my classes and I can say, okay, 25% of my students got a 5 on that, which means this specific skill is what they're missing. You know, that's a game changer for a teacher. All of a sudden, okay, I know what to focus on.
And I'm going to show you the data. The data is pretty fascinating.
And we're going to see if we can figure out some rules.
English doesn't always involve one right answer. If you're yellow, you were one question away. It's to build a kid's confidence in you as a teacher and in themselves as a student. So a student walks in and they do a pre-assessment and you know, they get a 4 out of 10. Oh man, and by the end of the class, they get a 9 out of 10. I'm pretty happy. You guys want to see the next one? All of a sudden, they're not a dumb kid, they're just a kid that hasn't learned yet. They're a kid that can learn and they demonstrate it across days and across things. It starts to be an identity change.
That's when things get exciting because you can document your students' progress. And you can say, I know for a fact that I'm making a difference in my students' lives. Got it going on. Over here. You guys set? Okay, I see 1s, some 2s, some 3s. Let's talk about it.